What is going on, guys? Steve here with Scotching Things, and I got something from Pete Gray. Gray's Precision, if you know who that is. He makes aftermarket lock bar inserts and whatnot for Striders, and he makes some other stuff too. But I bought a couple. He did some special ones for the Strider group. So, can you see? It's got the Strider logo on there. There's the rounded one, I think, or is it the flat one? Yeah, that's the flat one. And there is, you see the logo on there? There's the rounded one. So he makes all sorts of different Zerk ones and whatnot. Where'd that thing go? Zerk and Timascus, and I can't remember what else he's got on his site. What size is that? Too big? So we'll swap these out real quick. See how that goes. I just bought two. One for my performance and one for my double gunner grip. What do you think? Black screw? Does the black go? Yeah. Now the key is going to be how to get this thing centered in there. Exciting stuff, huh? Get it kind of straight. This is tough doing it over the camera. See, it's wanting to turn on me. God dang. Boy, these are a pistol to put on. Straight. Straight enough. Straight enough. Maybe I'll mess with it later. Put all these back in case I ever need them again. And got a fancy, it's a different size. That's a different size. What size is that one? It's T6. What the hell was that one? T7? Weird. Oh, that's a smaller. I wonder if I have to go with a smaller. See how small that screw is? Maybe I should have gone with one of his other designs so I don't have to worry about centering. God dang, that wants to turn on. Come on. Yeah. There, quick and easy. Quick and easy. Like, I'm not usually one for modding or extra doodads, but I just thought those were kind of cool. And they're not super expensive. I mean, even if you go on a site for like Zerk ones and whatnot, I'll mess with them later to get them straight. But just wanted to show you guys. Like I said, he did a couple special ones for the Strider group. If you wanted one, hit him up. I don't know if he's got some left, but I think they're only like 25 bucks. And that's all I got. Thanks for watching, guys.